Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny, tidy Tuesday. Today I am cleaning my door and the windows beside my door on my porch, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I love Tuesdays because I get so much motivation from the Tiny Tidy team. I want to thank, first of all, Sunday Dawn for always putting this playlist together. I will link her channel, The Helpful Home, in my description box below, along with the rest of the Tiny Tidy team, and you can find what they are tidying today. I hope this motivates you to tidy something in your home. As I was saying, I did my front door and the windows beside my front door. I struggled with this a bit because I did want to make it a tiny tidy, and I only had time to do just the door and the windows, but I so wanted to do everything else out there and like get out the pressure washer and do everything. But because it was a tiny tidy, I wanted to show that you could do just something small and make a big difference, and I think that I did. So let me know what you think. This whole area needs to be deep cleaned. It needs to be pressure washed, everything. However, this is a tiny tidy and I want to keep it tiny today because I do just have very limited time. So I'm going to use hot soapy water to wipe down the door, and then I'm going to use 7th generation glass cleaner and paper towels to wipe down the windows beside the door. Before I do that, I'm just going to take the stuff off, and then I'm going to put it back on and leave everything as is until we have more time to pressure wash and do a deep scrubbing.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow, and the old ways get washed out by the rain.
So I am using a car washing brush to clean my door just because I like the handle on it. It's soft and I like the way this worked. And again, I'm just using hot soapy water, and the soap is just dish soap. And then I have another bucket that has just warm plain water, and that just washes the soap off. If you are new to my channel, I want to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and I would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family. I live in the southeastern part of the United States, and I absolutely love sharing all things with you, mainly things homemaking, and would welcome you into my family. And I also like to show that living with a heart condition can be difficult at times, but also can be manageable, and you can do it if I can do it.
Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. struggles, I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day. It is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will restore us. There'll be new ways. This is not the end. There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow, and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through.
So this is what it looks like with the door clean and with the windows clean. I did have to wash it down just a little bit, but we will definitely pressure wash on another day. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe and help me reach 2K. Do not forget to check out the Tiny Tidy playlist today along with Sunday Dawn's channel. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye.
Your struggles, I will always